How much is this?
$40. Oh, you nasty.
Nah. Well, but that's a good video. For more of that video, make sure you click this link right here. All right. I like that video. It's one of my newest ones. Check it out. But today's reaction video, I'm gonna do Longbeachgriffy. Longbeachgriffy. It's called When a Chinese Person Sneezes. Let's see, it's funny. Let's go.
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro! I'm not fucking around, man!
I'm sorry, dude.
Hell no.
You got me fucked up.
Dude, relax.
Motherfucker,
It's just
sick.
my allergies.
Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies.
Hell no.
You got that Chinese Ebola thing.
The coronavirus? No, dude, I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean.
Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese, it's all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake.
That is incredibly racist.
Is it though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get it.
Where else are those families supposed to go?
Antarctica or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida.
Look, man,
Sneeze again. Sneeze again. I will blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head. Do it. Play with me. Play with me. I can't even get a happy ending at a massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
Oh, man. All right, y'all. Till next time. All right. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share for more videos. All right. Let's go.
That's an interception. Yeah. Now BBS, yeah, get on my section. Yeah. Just that how, grab that scrap shit. Just that how. Watch your back, bitch. Yeah. My niggas ready for